Myself Rahul Kumar Misra from Diplomatic Guru YouTube channel. Today I am before you to discuss about the NATO. NATO means North Atlantic Treaty Organization. This is a totally military organization made by the US, Canada, Great Britain and France. And when it was made in 1949, at that time there were only 9 members of the NATO. But at this time the member had been 29 members and 4 aspiring nations wants to join the NATO. And then we need to understand why NATO was the form. After the Second World War in 1945, a Cold War had been started between Soviet Union and US. US means United States, and you can say United States of America too. So Cold War had been started between these two superpowers, and it seemed at that time a war could begin any time between Soviet Union and US. So US formed a military organization, a military nations, just as NATO. So especially European nations and Canada and US formed the 9 nations to check the Soviet Union in Europe, because at that time Soviet Union defeated army of the Germany, and US bombed atom bomb on the Nagasaki and Hiroshima on 9th and 6th August 1945. So that was the end of the Second World War. So these both nations had argument about it, who were the most powerful, who were the most important role to play to win the Second World War. So it can be called, this is the Cold War, but it was made to check the Soviet Union, and Soviet Union in 1989 and 1990 it was collapsed. Soviet Union were shattered in many nations, and it means NATO could be shut down at that time, but it was not. Russia was also powerful at that time too, after the shattering too. But at present, the 29 members had been in NATO, and 4 aspiring nations wants to join the NATO forces. This is the reality about it. NATO was used before the 1990 to check the Soviet Union. But after 1990, it is being used to check the Russia and the China. China at this time, the main hub of the world for the manufacturing. And at present, US is facing a serious problem with China. And there are a number of the messages, a number of the issues. On that issues, China and America, they are not on the same coin. So it is the very important US to check the China like Soviet Union. So at present the Ukraine wanted to join NATO, but what happened? We know. Russia attacked on Ukraine. Ukraine is a country who was, I think, separated from the Soviet Union during the 1990 when Soviet Union was collapsed. So it is the very important that, and Finland also joined the NATO forces. So NATO forces means if any nation of the world could attack the member of the any NATO countries, then all the NATO countries would fight back, would fight against those countries. So this is the main importance of the NATO. But at present, NATO importance has been finished because it was made to check the Soviet Union, and Soviet Union had been collapsed. But it is being going on because to check the